welcome to my video about inductor. An inductor is a passive electrical component consisting of a coil of wire which is designed to take advantage of the relationship between magnetism and electricity as a result of an electric current passing through the coil. Inductor is a device which stores energy temporarily in the form of a magnetic field. Basically, inductor is just coils of a wire. The basic property of electromagnetism is when an electrical current flows through a wire conductor, a magnetic flux is developed around the conductor. If we coil a lot of wire, we will get a strong magnetic field. When current first flow through the inductor, a magnetic field is created around it and stabilizes. When the current stops flowing, the magnetic flux also collapses. This magnetic flux is cut the same coil and convert the magnetic field to electrical energy, so that kind of like a temporary storage area of the energy. An inductor stored the energy in the form of a magnetic field and resists certain changes in current. The current in an inductor cannot instantly change, always lag for certain amount of time. Inductance is given in the symbol of L with the units of Henry. Now let me give you an example. In this demo I am going to be use 50 mH inductor series with 100 ohms resistor and apply a square wave to this circuit. We can start with the frequency of 20 Hz, square wave. Now you can see the current across the resistor also same as the input square wave. Now slowly increase the frequency. You can see the reference in the output waveform. Now the frequency is 100 Hz. You can see the waveform is square anymore. There is a little bit of lag in the current. This is because it's take a certain amount of time to store and release the energy in an inductor. Frequency is gradually increasing to 1 kHz. The changes of waveform you can see from here. Frequency is reached to 1 kHz. There is no square wave anymore. It's take longer time to store and release the energy in an inductor. The time takes for the input waveform to switch high to low. In this situation, inductor take average of the current over the time. An inductor is just a wire. When we connect it to the DC, no change will happen. I hope you all understood the basic of an inductor. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such videos.